subscribers, today we have another package.
Hi subscribers!
Oh, mommy to the rescue.
Hi subscribers, today we have another package from Rolimate Toys.
What will you say to Rolimate?
Thank you Rolimate for sending this.
Wow, show it!
It's this! Ooh. That's open.
Can you read what's in the box?
There's Tom. Ooh, it's so cool.
Can you please read it to me, sweetheart?
And interest clip bead game. We're gonna play it now. I have this other game clip because we already have another one, a fishing game one.
So what are you gonna do? How many patterns do you have there?
10 patterns.
Okay, 10 patterns. And so you're gonna start with?
The birthday cake.
Wow. So how many colors do you have?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Right. So what are you gonna use?
The tongs.
And you're gonna use the chopsticks later too. So show our subscribers.
This is the birthday cake and I love it. You just take a yellow bead and you make a pink bead. They don't look like bones. No, there's no pink beads there.
Wait a minute.
Because I don't.
So colorful.
I'm gonna do these reds.
This one is...
Very good. Can you try to use the chopstick?
Later, after I'm done with this. I'm all done with my birthday cake. Help me.
Okay, you're done with your birthday cake.
This one.
I'm gonna pick another pattern.
That's so nice. That's a
No.
birthday cake.
Now blow the candle.
What are you doing this time, Ate?
The butterfly, I'm almost finished.
This one goes here.
Is it done? Wow. What can you say, Ate? You did a good job, right?
Yeah.
Goes
I'm gonna do the next pattern.
What are you making, baby girl?
I wanna do a different pattern, Daddy.
Alligator?
Daddy,
Wow.
I wanna do a different pattern. I'm doing the alligator and D.
Wow, you're done. Did your alligator. Yay. You happy?
Yeah. My channel, subscribe to my channel.